First, you're going to go to Canva. If you don't already have an account, it takes less than a minute to sign up and it's free. It will ask how you wish to use Canva, which from here you can either select for personal use, work, education, and or nonprofit organization. Now that we are in, you can easily find 3 options above our search bar. We're going to select templates, and from here we're going to search YouTube thumbnail. From here you can either create from a blank and or from the unlimited options that are seen here. For those that are new to Canva, I would like to point out that there will be crown marks like these. These are for premium users only and are only accessible if you choose to pay a subscription. For now, at the moment, we are in search of free to use templates. Now, this one looks great to start off with. Just select your template and hit customize. After hitting customize, you can finally begin editing your thumbnail. We are first going to change channel to thumbnail. And upon editing, I realized I had forgot to add the N to thumbnail. Don't know how, don't know why, but we will later fix this before posting. We are going to just go ahead and remove this image and select something different, but if you make this mistake, you can easily just do undo. For easy editing, click the image and locate the position button. From here, you can navigate your layers directly, and you can delete items with these with just a backspace key. We can change our background and our color from here as well. Which I chose not to, but we're going to be choosing something different, and we're going to go over to our elements, which is located to the left of the screen. And we're going to search what we are looking for. We can look for teacher, and from here you can select photos, anything specific you're looking for. And if it's something you're not looking for, don't worry, we are just going to go back up and look for something different. I went with model for this video, and we're just going to choose this one. I'm just going to click and drag that. It'll automatically fill in your background for you. For now, I'm just going to go to edit, and from here you have so many options you can choose from. For now though, I'm just going to mess with the filter some, just to change up the color a little bit, give it a little bit more dynamic. If, however, you do not want the image to take up the entire background, there is an option where you can just select and scroll down, and you can detach your image from the background. But for today's video, I'm going to use this as my template. You can also lock in your layers. You can lock the whole page if you want to, but for today's video, we're going to just go ahead and lock in the background from here on our positions. And we're just going to select all that we have there, drag it over. Make sure to try to keep it within the margins. This will help keep your thumbnail a little bit neater, tidier. So with that said, definitely use the margins if you ever see them pop up when selecting and dragging. Now, I did not have to change up the color palette. You do want to try to stick with colors that are presumably bold and noticeable, colors that are eye-catching to your viewers. I was already kind of going through a monotone flow, so you'll see here very shortly how I went with colors that matched the background. From here, I wanted to add a pointer mouse to the thumbnail, which was kind of hard to find at first because I just kept getting mouses, so I had to take off the photos and went to graphics instead. I found two of my liking. I was going to go for the first option at first, just kind of messed around with it some. I do like to zoom in and out to see how the thumbnail would look like from afar as well as close. I do find this very helpful, especially like whenever you're scrolling through on PC and or through phone. As you can see here, I did struggle to choose which pointer and which image I prefer to use for today's video. As you can tell, I am quite indecisive. If you ever had a problem where your image is kind of stuck behind another layer, you can easily just go to Position, Layers, and just bring that forward. Just gonna go ahead and rotate that and call it good. Once you have everything to your expectations and to your liking, you can click Share located to the top right corner of your screen. Select Download. We only need PNG. However, by all means, if you need it in any other format, that is available. This will not take long to download. You can easily find it in your folder whenever it is ready. Now that you have your thumbnail ready, hop over to your channel, find your Create button, select Upload Video. From here, select which video you will be uploading. But if you're like me, mistakes can happen, and my mistake was pretty easy to fix. But go ahead, double check your work before getting to posting your video. Once you select your file though, the very last thing you have to do is just simply locate your download thumbnail, and voila! That's all there is to it, folks.